So one fatal flaw for all subscription brands. Subscription brands do not have a lot of pages. You look at BarkBox, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages. That's not going to do it. That's not going to capture a lot of different search traffic. If you're a subscription brand, how do you solve this? How do you solve it when you just have one product? Well, it's a lot of products, but it's basically just ends up being one product, right? You have one box that you sell. How do you rank for a lot of different keyword phrases when you only have 5 or 6 pages? Solution number one is you create an e-commerce storefront. And this is definitely, hands down, one of the best ways to capture commercial intent keyword phrases. And so this is definitely the best solution for targeting that commercial intent, getting keyword phrases that are going to convert really well. And you're able to create a lot of different category pages or collection pages that will rank for different keyword phrases. So like in treats, you might have drop downs like organic dog treats, grain-free dog treats. And that way you can have different collection pages that rank for different keyword phrases that are going to drive a lot of traffic and sales. I totally understand if you have problems with separating out your products and selling them individually. Something you could think about though is creating an e-commerce storefront, but not actually selling the products and having each product listed out individually, which links back to your subscription box. And that has the call to action to go back to your subscription box to purchase and subscribe. So that's one way you could do it, but this is definitely the best solution if you have the ability to do so, to create an e-commerce storefront, to really drive that organic search traffic, and then hopefully upsell them to your subscription later as well. This is just another example. You can see up here, they have the shop for Bokusu. They basically are able to create the market where you're able to buy each individual snack individually. But what Bokusu does really good is solution number 2. And solution number 2 is,
want to be part of the world's largest community of subscription innovators? Join our community today and take your subscription business to the next level. It's some of the best money you could ever spend. So for $9 a month or $99 a year, you're going to get access to insightful workshops, actionable tips. We live and breathe subscription. And if you want to look for the most up-to-date, current knowledge on the direct-to-consumer subscription space, you need to be a SUBTA member today. Join our amazing community today at SUBTA.com.